Hello everybody, Angel Diaz here from Audi VW in Fall River, and today I want to show you this beautiful 2023 Volkswagen Arteon SEL Premium R Line, and we are going to dive right into it. Let's do this right now. All right folks, and here you go. Check out this beauty over here. 2023 Volkswagen Arteon 2.0T SEL Premium R Line, and this is a beauty. As you can see, you got that deep black pearl color. You can see right in the front how you get that beautiful aggressive look. You have a lot of chrome going on in that Arteon R Line grille design in the front. One thing I do like, hidden right in the Volkswagen logo, you do got your front-facing camera there. They did a great job of masking the sensors right in the front as well. I do like how they have the chrome bars going around, and also decide to integrate this light bar. If you see it, we can light it, we can illuminate that whole light bar, giving you a nice display up front. And check out over here on the side. Check out these lights. Look how beautiful they are. I did put your turn signals on just so you can see how beautiful it looks and how it just stands out. You do get automatic LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, and LED tail lights as well. You got some gloss black going over here with some more silver trim over here, down here as well. Love it. It's just the aggressive look on this car is just a beauty. Even on the hood, check out all these lines on the hood that makes it stand out. Anyone would love to be in this vehicle. And now if you come over here on the side, you do get these 20-inch wheels with all-season tires on them. You got Continentals on there. You gotta have it. You got your R-Line badging on the side. Just, you know, gives it a nice look to it. More integrated turn signal lights over here. Body side covers on the mirrors as well. Love it. They're also power folding heated adjustable mirrors. And one thing that all these doors have, you got keyless entry on every door. That's something we all need to have. My favorite feature, frameless doors over here. So you see the windows, you put it down, and it just gives it a nice sporty look to it. I love that about this vehicle. Now let's keep coming towards the back. Easy access for your gas tank. Just push it in, and there you have it. Now, if you see the back of this beautiful Arteon, you do see one thing you will notice: 4Motion, guys. So all-wheel drive on this bad boy. Love it. You got the Arteon right under the Volkswagen signal, and you must have this. If you're throwing in luggages all the time, you want to protect that bumper. This is good to have. Let's open up this trunk. There you go. This flips open, and check that out. You get that nice sporty look. You get the sport back on it. It looks like a regular trunk, but it's a sport back. You do get some goodies. You get your regular mats over here, and come on now, you don't have to order these. They come with the car. And you get your cargo blocks, which Volkswagen is known for. Velcro on the bottom, so you can create a barrier just in case if you have groceries or just a gallon of milk that you don't want swinging around. Now these chairs in the back, they do fold forward if you need the extra space. Love that. Over here, this comes off. This is the privacy shade, just in case you want to hide everything back here as well. Power lift gate, got a button right over here, and there you have it. Check out that beauty. Now that's beautiful. And let's see the inside of this bad boy. Check that out. Beautiful, comfortable black leather interior with these white stitching going all the way around. Check it out. I'm gonna sit back here. Plenty of space. Check out the leg room. This chair is pretty much, I believe it's all the way back already. So you have a lot of space over here. Cup holders, little armrests, which if you need to get rid of for that third person to sit right in the middle, you can as well. Although I do like this, it's pretty comfortable. Yeah, I can see me sitting back here. And guess what, folks? Over here, you can control your own temperature, so you can get that cool AC, but you also get heated seats in the back. Come on, man, you definitely need that. Up top, we do got extra lighting for anyone who wants to sit in the back and they need that extra lighting at nighttime. And yeah, let's go to the front and check this out. Let's do it. All right, folks, and now I am sitting behind the wheel of this beautiful Arteon, and let's just go over a couple things. All right, so first, let's start with the seat, because the one thing I do love about this seat, besides being a bucket seat and this just hugs you and feels perfect, you do have a couple options on the side of the seat. On the right hand side, it is a power adjustable chair, and you do have 2 settings for memory seat. Love that. And the one thing that's even more impressive with this Arteon, that the driver gets to have a massage chair as well. So if you have a long day, just hit that button right here and you're good to go. All right, now let's walk over here. Let's talk over here about this door panel. Not too much going on. You do get the power adjustable mirrors over here. So right here, you can adjust it. If you go all the way to the left, you can fold the mirrors. Let me show you over here. As you can see, the mirror folding in. Love that. Now, if you go to the other side, it shows you get your heated mirrors. So you just have to put the arrow right to that side, and now it will engage the heated mirrors. Love that as well. Harman Kardon stereo sound system. Love it. Every car should have it. Premium sound coming out. You get a little bit of gloss black over here with this carbon fiber. This steering wheel feels amazing. Gotta have your R-line, let you know what you are driving, let you know that you spent the money to feel comfortable and have this executive package that you want. All right, they need to have their logo over here. I love the way these buttons are set up. It's not like real buttons. Oh, heated steering wheel. Everybody needs that. Volume on one side, change through station on the other. Digital cockpit, you need to have that as well. You can switch the look, whatever you want to do. If you want something else, you can do that as well. You can hit the view button. Check that out. You get the clusters, they come out. Come on, man, it doesn't get better than this. And you get paddle shifters. I don't know if you can see that, but you get paddle shifters as well. Put it on sport mode, switch your own gears. I love that. All right, let's go over here towards the middle of the screen. Like I said, everything is touchscreen. Love it. You got on the side different buttons to whatever you want to navigate to. You do have your climate control, so this is your comfort zone. Heated and ventilated seats. Love it. Every vehicle should have that. You need to have that comfort. So you know what? You get some brownie points for that. Dual climate control as well. You gotta love it. And you know what else this has? Check this out. Looks good. You see all this gloss black, right? But you can actually push that forward. And look at that. Let me take that out of here. Got my phone in there charging. Yes, there's a wireless charging pad in there. Yep, I love the way how they hid it from everybody. So if you don't want to see it, just close it right up, and then we'll go right over here to this beautiful shifter. You got a little bit of leather going on with some stitching, white stitching over here on the side. Push to start on these vehicles is a must. All right, different drive modes, auto stop start button, but check this out. Whoop. Cup holders, baby, and a beautiful key which shows you can unlock you can open your power lift gate and remote start. It doesn't get much better than that. All right, guys, let me close that right back up. Did I show you the 2 cup holders? I think I did. Let's close that. All right, electronic parking brake as well, auto hold. What that does is you need to have your seatbelt on in order for that to work. If you're in bumper to bumper traffic, you can just relax, let go of that brake, and the car will not move unless you hit that gas pedal. All right, check that out. You hit that button, it'll show you your vehicle right there in plain sight. As you can see, there's nothing in the perimeter of the vehicle. It is safe to go. Love it. Let me see if you can see that backup camera. Check that out. Beautiful display. If you turn the wheel, you can see the trajectory as you turn the wheel. So it makes it easier to actually park your vehicle into nice tight parking spaces as well. Let me put that back. Check out this seat. You get like this beautiful perforated bucket seat. It needs to be perforated because they are ventilated. I don't know if I mentioned that. So you get heated and ventilated seats. You get some points for that. All right. Check out the door over here. You get some more soft leather over here, white stitching. more gloss black carbon fiber over here, gloss black silver. This design is amazing, and look where they hid the hazard lights, right over here. And last but not least, which is my all-time favorite, I love a car with a sunroof, and that's what I want to show you right now. All right, everybody, thank you for joining me in the tutorial of this 2023 Volkswagen Arteon. And I just want to thank everybody. Audi, Volkswagen, and Fall River, if you guys need it, the vehicle is available. I know, Michael, you're looking at it, it is still here. Come get this today, I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Phone number here is 508-678-5555. Thank you, everybody, have a great day.